Want to use 5G on your iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to turn on 5G in just a few simple steps. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, tap Mobile Data or Cellular or Mobile Service, depending on your region. Now, tap Mobile Data Options or Cellular Data Options. After that, select Voice and Data. Here, you'll see three options: 5G Auto, 5G On, and LTE. Choose 5G On if you want your iPhone to use 5G whenever it's available. Or select 5G Auto to let your iPhone switch between 5G and LTE to save battery life. If you don't see the 5G option, make sure your iPhone supports 5G, you're using a 5G SIM or eSIM, your carrier offers 5G service, and you're in a 5G coverage area. That's it. Your iPhone is now ready to use 5G. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.